This video will introduce the most powerful function of intelligent counting screwdriver. Imagine you have a part which has multiple screws to be assembled, however each of them requires different torque. It would be very low efficient to change parameters at each step, and it would be not economic to use multiple tools for one workstation. The task function will help solve this problem and achieve complex workflow by single screwdriver. Enter the task set. You will see a sequence of channels. This is for you to program your workflow into maximum of 12 steps. Each step is defined by inputting the channel number which contains pre-programmed process parameters. This means you need edit the process first, before programming your workflow. This can be done in the general set like the same way to edit the single process. Now we will set 3 different target torques and put them into channel 1 through channel 3. With torque value of 20 kilograms, 30 kilograms, and 40 kilograms, respectively. Once finishing the first channel, navigate to the CH icon, and click Enter to switch to next channel for parameter editing, and use same method to edit all the channels with different parameters. Now we have all 3 channels set up respectively. Return to the task set page for workflow programming. Enter task page and define your sequence step number first. Since we are doing 3 steps of workflow, so update the number to 3 and system will only read first 3 steps in the workflow sequence. Then go to the workflow sequence and edit each step to match the channel number which reflects the process parameter you want to use. Once complete, navigate to the on icon and click Enter to activate task mode. Back on main screen, you see sign of T on, which means task mode is successfully activated. Now let's see how the sequence work out. You can see the screen is showing channel 1 with target torque of 20 as step 1. When step 1 complete, the system will automatically switch to channel 2. When step 2 complete, the system will switch to channel 3. And when all sequence complete, the system will resume to step 1 for next cycle. You can pre-edit up to 4 different sets of process parameters, and program them into maximum of 12 workflow steps. Each process can be different control mode and corresponding error tolerance range setup. Since it is also using parameter channels for process definition, you can use same channel for both single process control or multi-step workflow programming. No repeat editing needed. The intuitive setup empower your complex process with one single handy tool.